Hey guys, let me break this down. Reason why it's cool for you to verify your email addresses before sending people message. After you extract email or buy email addresses from any vendor, you need to validate it. Take a look at my screen. One of my users verifying 50,000 email right now, and you can see the rate of invalid email on his email list. Currently, he have 4,683 valid email addresses. An invalid email here, you can see invalid email is 1,000 plus. So if you go ahead and send message after you collect data, email addresses online, is likely to all your email to wipe in spam if you're not validating email. So this is email verification that can help you validate bunk email addresses, making sure you delete fake email, old email, dead email. That will help you to get in touch with the right people you are trying to reach out to for your business. So it's good for you to verify your email. It's easy to download this email verification. Go to solobranding.com, this website, and is the second product on the list. You can see email verification. Just open it. If you want to learn how this email verification work more, just open this application and click review. Go ahead and download it, and I wish you good luck. If you are trying to purchase and if you can't purchase with your credit card, or if you can't purchase on our site, here you can always contact any vendor that you want to talk to. The vendor that posts this application, if you click support, this is support, and you can see subject and message. Message the vendor to tell the vendor what you want. If you want the vendor to provide manual payment, the vendor is going to provide you manual payment such as crypto or bank payment in any country of your choice. If you are in Ghana, likely we are going to use Momo. So customer support is 24/7 active. Go ahead and message the vendor here. I can even check the vendor profile, follow the vendor for more updates about any product you purchase on the site. To do that, you can see view vendor profile here and just open it. When the vendor profile open, you are going to see their services. You can go ahead and click follow to follow this vendor. And if you scroll down, we are going to see all the vendor products. You can see all the vendor product, and you can go ahead and do business with them. Any vendor on our site are trusted, and once you click purchase, you download your product right away without wasting your time. So check it out.